Hi, I'm James at British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to remove your handlebars and risers on this 2024 bobber. So first thing I want to do is we're going to remove these wire retainers here. Just got to pull them off of there. Just like a little button type thing. So now I want to remove these two screws here. There's one on the bottom and one going this way. It's a T20 Torx bit. Now I just want to take this clamp off here. These are 5mm Allen. So now we want to take this mirror off here. We need to take the end cap off. That's a 4mm Allen. So pull that off. Then you have a 5mm Allen right here. Just need to loosen it. You don't have to take it all the way. Just so you can pull that off. So now the same thing on this side. We got a T20 screw coming from the back. And another one on the bottom. This bottom one is also going this way. So now we're going to take these two out. It's a 5mm, but when you take these two out, you need to be holding this because this is going to drop down. Now we're ready to take the bar off. In order to do that, you need to take the riser cap off here. It's a 6mm Allens. And when we pull this off, we're going to pull it up and out of here. This is going to slide out, so you're going to hold on to this so it doesn't just fall down. So now, to get the risers off, we're just going to put this cap back on. Again with our 6mm Allen. Now underneath we have 14mm screw going up there. So you need to release this cable out of the grabber there, get it out of your way. If you don't have an auto ratchet like this, be careful of your tank, make sure it's protected. If you're swinging a ratchet, you don't want to hit it. Don't lose these washers depending on what risers you might be putting back on. If they have a recess like this, you need to run the washer on there. If they're flush across, you leave the washer out.